Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Spencer Israel here with you. I see Neil is still going on his show, but that's fine. Here's what's going to happen. We're trying something a little bit new today. I'm going to hang out with you all for a few minutes, just talk overall market. I'll bring on Catherine Ross. We'll talk overall. I'll talk overall stock market. We'll bring her on to talk overall crypto market. Let's do a quick update. The point of this is not to go on for like a half hour or an hour. We're gonna do a quick 15-minute update in and out, and we'll get on with the rest of our days here. So with that being said, let me share my screen, and yeah, you can see it right there. One of those days, everyone panic. Everybody panic now. We're down pretty much across the board. Oh no. What do we do? What do we do, everyone? Do we buy the dip? Do we sell the dip? Oh no. I need to fix the order of this watch list, which I will do. But the S&P 500 today, we are down about 1%. NASDAQ, the Qs are down a little over 1%. The Russell is just continuing to stink, guys. The Russell stinks. I know they talked about this on Power Hour today. We talk about this on pre-market prep all the time. The Russell is just a turd right now. Ugh. Dow Jones down as well. Every sector in the red today. Yeah. One of those days. That's how it goes. I want to look at a couple individual charts, and then I'll bring on Catherine Ross to talk crypto for a second. Before I do that, let's look at Tesla real fast. It's continuing to slide today. Follow through action from yesterday. So to recap, on Friday, Tesla was at almost $730. Today we are at $657. So we've fallen basically, $90 in 3 days on Tesla. Not looking great. No new headlines. There's still the investigation from yesterday or from over the weekend that was disclosed, and just follow through action. Tesla, actually, the whole EV space is weak today. It's not just Tesla. I didn't mention this morning. You can look at FUV, right? Arcimoto getting smacked around. Romeo, same story. They both had earnings. CleanSpark, same story, had earnings. CLSK, all getting smacked around at all-time lows here. So not good today for the EV stocks. I wanted to do a quick look at Home Depot because that had earnings, and Home Depot, you can see it trading down 4.5% today as well. Not a great day for Home Depot. Walmart came back. This is interesting because Walmart, we said they were being really nitpicky this morning, right? It was a good report. They were being super nitpicky. And Walmart came back. So that's good to see. Why are there only 7 people watching? It's because Neil is still going, BNZNB. And when he ends, we'll get those viewers on his show. Okay, before I bring on Catherine Ross, let me do my own crypto update here real fast. And then we'll get Catherine Ross on the show. Here you can see it's the same story in crypto land as it is in stock land today. All the major cryptos down, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, et cetera. One of those days. Whoops. Where's my Bitcoin chart? Here's my Bitcoin chart. And this is a daily. Yeah, let's go to a 15-minute chart, actually. Let's zoom in on this a little bit. I don't know. Not much to say about it, really, right? Not much. We fall below 46,000. Okay. Really not much to say. Just consolidation station in Bitcoin land. Kind of the same thing with Ethereum, right? Consolidation station, which is okay. It's what you want to see. I know Catherine's got some other cryptos that are on her radar. So I want to bring her on in actually right now. I'm going to do that. Catherine Ross, hello. How we doing?
Oh, hi. Are you bringing me while Neil is still going? That's not fair.
Neil is supposed to end his show at 2:00. I don't know what he's doing, but
Okay.
it's fine.
Probably dancing, listening to Spice Girls.
It's possible.
It's possible. Yeah. Okay. So let's talk markets. First of all, I didn't like your description, referring to the crypto markets as we're down. we're not. It's just a bit of a dip, and I'm going to comment on that. And despite what you just saw on that very beautiful heat map, and I wanted like to say provided by, but I forgot. Provided by, I forgot who
Provided
did.
by Quantify Crypto.
Yes, Quantify Crypto, provided by Quantify Crypto.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like it might be red, but we do have coins that are just going crazy, right? And getting momentum as we speak. And
Like who?
I'd love to talk, about them, but Neil, Neil, Neil.
He can't hear us. He
Look,
can't
okay,
hear us.
he is in the same building as you are, right?
No, he's not. No, he's not.
Oh, right.
He's
Okay.
home.
Yeah, so that's not possible to physically remove him. Okay.
I mean, I could, but that'd be mean. I don't want to do that.
Okay. So, and like, this is specifically one of the, not favorite, but one of the projects that I'm excited about. And I want to talk about it. And I want people to know about it. And what do we have? Okay. So I'm going to talk about it anyway. And people that are watching this right now, you are the lucky ones, because I'm going to talk about Solana. Solana is seeing major uptick currently. Solana is often referred to as the Ethereum killer, which, and I've spoken to them, they are not happy with that description because this is technically not true. Solana is actually much faster, and it provides a better, can we have a yes, thank you. It provides a much better and faster ecosystem to be built, I mean, for other projects to be built on. And in comparison, right, so Solana uses proof of history protocol, and it's hugely mathematical. And well, yeah, they have this theory in physics and mathematics that they use. I've never heard about any other project in crypto space using proof of history, right? So this is something new. They claim that it has huge resistance level. And yeah, so we're going to see. But just as an example, right, Solana processes about as many transactions in a month as Ethereum has in the entire history. Could you believe that? Let me just read.
Really?
Yes. Yes. Solana processes about as many transactions in a month as Ethereum has had in the entire history. And of course, this has more to do with Solana's network capacity, right? It claims that it can process 50K transactions in a second. So this is just amazing. I'm going to mention Solana in the next project, the next coin that we're just going to cover right now. Let me know, but by the way, how much time I have today.
I think we're going to go until, when should we go? We'll probably go until like we'll go like 10 more minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So currently, let's look at Solana's trading. Okay, $67, up 3%. Sorry, 3.11%.
$58 now.
Yeah, sorry, $67. But the thing is that, I mean, it is today's chart, but last night it saw a major uptick. So yeah, it is one of the biggest price gainers over the past 2 days. So it's not as high as it was yesterday, but if you look at the chart, let's look at the chart real quick. We're gonna have 7 days. So August 15th, it was trading at $45. 45 compared to today's 67. An all-time high was we saw earlier today it was $71. Okay, I don't have a lot of time, so let's go further. Solana is a great project. Check it out. We do have an interview with them on our YouTube. Basically, interview with Solana. That's what it is. It's
Okay.
interview with Solana. Yeah. Audius is the next one on our radar today. That's I've never heard that name before, but I actually learned about it yesterday because it has partnered with TikTok. So if you guys have ever used TikTok, there is just a feature where if you want to do a video and put some music on it, you actually have to choose between the list of songs available in TikTok or record your own, which is usually like just an audio of your voice. So Audios is actually planning to let you create your own music on the blockchain-based music platform and integrate it in TikTok. Contributors are not going to be rewarded directly based on what kind of number of listeners or users they bring, but they will have a choice of how they want to monetize it. So the thing is that Audius is, I think, 140% up. So again, if it was 140% up a couple of hours earlier, so in a 24-hour spectrum. But right now it's compared to 24 hours from today, it's 47% up, and it's trading at $3. We saw all-time high. Why am I singing? I have no idea. We saw all-time high earlier today at $3.8. So it looks like a interesting project to look at. I'm trying not to give any investment advice. So Audio's ticker is AUDIO. That's what it is. Spence.
Okay. Today we learned. Today we learned. What's next, Cardano?
Yeah, Cardano. But do we have more viewers? Is Neil done?
We do not have more viewers, but we're just going to keep rolling.
Okay, I'm going to have to talk to Neil. So Cardano, Ada, Cardano actually has caught a lot of attention from institutions. We have seen, because, the market was fluctuating a little bit over the past few weeks. We saw a bit of an outflow of investment from Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin saw 22 million in weekly outflows, and Ethereum lost 1.1 million over the week. And at the same time, Cardano actually registered and recorded $1.3 million in inflow. So it's just an observation that Cardano is getting attention. If you guys remember, last week, Cardano's founder said that they're going to focus on human rights and only work with countries that are democratic or moving towards that direction. But yeah, it's getting momentum. And if I have time, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin specifically. By the way, Cardano is not at its best. If I remember correctly, it's still seeing a bit of a downtrend right now. Right, Cardano. Yes. So 3% down, and it's trading at $2 right now. So it has seen best days. It's not, obviously not today, but Bitcoin is actually showing signs of fatigue. So what it means, let's look at the chart. Choosing Bitcoin real fast. So Bitcoin is trading at 46%. $46,000 right now, 46,166 to be exact. It almost saw 50K this weekend, but it didn't. So the way eToro analyst describes it is that we are seeing a bit of a fatigue in the markets, specifically Bitcoin, right? And its low levels of daily trading volume persist. Again, people are trading at a little bit lower, and short positions are being built. So again, it has failed to cross 50K, over the weekend. But he's a great trader and analyst, Simon Peters, based out of London, an analyst at eToro. He said that Bitcoin failed to break 50K during the weekend trading and is beginning to flag signs of profit taking in the short term. I do think that we're going to see lower prices this week, even though Luke does not agree with me. It almost looked like a fun week yesterday, but it's not something that we see today. Let's look at our favorite one, because I do have a couple minutes more. Dogecoin. Yes.
Okay, what about it?
Why? What was that like?
No,
I'm not happy about that either. So Dogecoin was actually gaining momentum over the past 4 days. Everybody has been going crazy again and again and again, and it's currently trading at 3 cents, actually 4.33% down, but still 29, almost 30% up over the week. So I know one of the statements, one of the news that has brought attention to it again is the fact that Mark Cuban again talked about it. What a surprise! So he said that he actually owns less than 500 in $500 in Dogecoin, despite being a big advocate of that cryptocurrency. The only thing that he said that, it's obviously not as valuable as Bitcoin, but it brings a lot of attention to the crypto industry. And it, in his view, it's going to be accepted by a lot of companies, as, Dallas Mavericks has already using Dogecoin for payments, for tickets, and, different clothing with a branded kind of merchandise. So yeah, and a question to Spencer: do you own any Dogecoin?
No, I do not.
Okay, you do not. So do I have more time?
Not really. I want to hop off because I have a replay set for 220. So,
okay, yes,
yeah, this is just something new, guys. We're just kind of messing around with the new format. I'm not quite sure if we'll do it going forward, but the idea was just a quick market update, nothing too crazy, and yeah. If I had known Neil was going to stay on, then maybe I would have done it at a different time. But that's how it goes. Oh well. Play it by ear, guys. That's how we roll here. Play it by ear. Catherine Ross is Benzinga's crypto editor, and she's up very late hanging out with us.
Okay.
And we will figure out what to do going forward. I like the idea of like having like a crypto segment, like a quick crypto update every day. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out, guys. Drop Catherine a like, and thanks a lot, Catherine.
Thank you.
We have no crypto show on Thursday because of the conference, and I'll get to in a second. So we won't see you until next week.
So no. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and if we're trying the segment, we might see.
Maybe we might see you tomorrow. We might.
Okay. There is a possibility. Thank you so much for having me.
All right. See you, Catherine. All right, guys. As I mentioned, no crypto show on Thursday. One of the reasons is because we have the Benzinga Reopening Stocks Summit. Where's the link up? Is it on my screen? Here it is. Learn more. Benzinga Reopening Stocks. It's tomorrow and Thursday, all day. I will be your MC on the Thursday track. And it's pretty self-explanatory, right? Reopening stocks. What does it sound like? We're talking 2 companies that will benefit from the great reopening, public companies, and people who have thoughts on reopening stocks that they like, that they don't like, et cetera, et cetera. Link is benzingaevents.com. Check it out. It's in the chat somewhere. All right, I'm going to hop off now. This was a fun little thing. Don't really know what I'm doing. And I'm going to set up a replay right now with the 10-minute trader, Christopher Ewell. It'll be followed by a pre-recorded version of our new NFT show, The Roadmap. This episode was recorded yesterday because Chris is out today. Chris K is out today. So it's a pre-recorded version that'll air at 3 o'clock. And then I'll be back with you in about an hour to hang out with Joel on the At the Close show. So whatever this was, thanks for watching, and see you all later.